So I'm not sure that this would be considered an official Lithuanian recipe, but I'm calling it that because my mother used to make it. It's her potato salad. It is so good. I say that about everything. We love eating. I can't help it. So the way you make it, just a few simple ingredients: an egg, carrots, red pepper, and the potatoes. I use the golden potatoes. I just really like those a lot. And as always, I always boil my potatoes with a skin on because I just think they taste better. And then the dressing is Hellman's mayonnaise and, don't tell anybody, lemon. That's what makes it taste so good. It's so good. And of course, the other secret is you want to make the potato salad while the potatoes are still warm or hot. And that's what makes it really creamy. Now, my potatoes, because I use the yellow potatoes, they can fall apart a little bit, but it really doesn't matter because you can't really tell when it's all mixed together. So I hope you'll try it. It is so good. And here's how you make the best potato salad in the world. The cooked potatoes, 2 hard-boiled eggs, red pepper, cooked carrots, and a lemon. And you put on the mayonnaise, mix it all together, and then for this amount, I would probably use a whole lemon. And I just squeeze half of it on there and mix it in and taste it. And then I would keep adding until it tastes just perfect.